The following shield wall panel video illustrates the ease of installation by two workers that assembled a 200 linear foot wall in one 8-hour day. With 1,400 buildings constructed over the past 4 decades, shield panels provide a high-performance, energy-efficient, unrivaled thermal envelope structure. So let's begin. Once panels are delivered to the site, review the drawings and installation can begin. Construction begins by confirming the foundation outside dimensions. Then, measure the thickness of the wall and snap a chalk line for sill plate placement. Apply sill sealer and place sill plates over membrane. Screw or use a nail gun to secure a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch angle to the sill plates. Make sure angle is placed to the inside of the wall, with no overlap where walls will be placed. Measure out and mark panel length on sill plate. This can be done individually or for a total length of the wall section. Spray roughly a 1/2 inch bead of DAP insulation onto sill plate prior to setting each wall panel into place to stop any air penetration. After fastening a kicker to the top of the wall panel, lift it into place. Secure the panel to the interior metal angle at base using 2 screws into each tube. Always remember, check the plumb to make sure each panel is straight. Stabilize the panel into place with brace on outside of structure for support using ground stake and wall kicker. Continue checking plumb. Next, attach second wood plate to the pre-attached top wood plate. The shield panels are all engineered prior to shipping to include wire chase, beam pockets, and necessary structural components. Window and door rough openings are built in the panels as provided by the architect. Structural design criteria established for each panel. These panels are installed as easily as other wall panels. After window or door bucks are cut to correct lengths, foam the inside of the window or door opening and then install the buck flush with the inside and fasten with screws. Complete window and door frames with additional side and top bucks. When setting walls, it is good to start in the corner and work around the perimeter. Inside corner angles are installed with screws. Make sure placement is tight. Likewise, outside corner angles are screwed into tubes. Make sure placement is tight and overlaps both panels. Lastly, use a foam gun to insulate between each wall panel. Place the gun 3 inches into each crevice between walls, approximately 6 inches between each insertion. Avoid excess from spilling out. The gun will need to be flushed after each use so as not to harden. The foam doesn't need to fill the depth of the panel completely. It only needs to create a barrier from top to bottom to stop airflow. That's all there is to constructing a wall with the shield system. Our system offers a simple integrated structural design. The panels are comprised of steel integrated into EPS foam to provide a structural support for the project, similar to cold form steel construction. Building with shield panels creates a cost-effective, long-term impact on the environment, conserving time, money, and both natural and human resources for the life of your project.